ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 plan. Will investing in this plan help in creating a financially secure future for your family or not? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a smarter and faster way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 plan. So this is a unit-linked insurance policy. What they have done is they have combined the benefits of two separate products named ICICI Pru Signature and ICICI Pru Guaranteed Income for Tomorrow. So some of the key features you get by investing in this policy are the capital you invest here is 100% safe and return to you at maturity along with the market linked returns. Also, you have multiple combinations of payment term and policy term that you can choose from as per your personal needs. Also, they have 4 portfolio strategies and 22 fund options, which is spread across equity, debt, and balanced fund options to suit your investment needs. Also, you get 3.25% of your fund value every 5 years starting from the 10th policy year if you stay committed to investing in this plan. There is also unlimited free withdrawals for you, including a systematic withdrawal plan called SWP. And there is benefit from the zero premium allocation charges, and also they return your mortality charges and admin charges at the end of your policy term. So these are some of the key features of the ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 policy. So in this plan, your death benefit is a guaranteed sum assured you will get, and the maturity benefit here will be a lump sum which will comprise the guaranteed benefit which equals to the total of all premium you have paid and also the market linked returns to boost your savings overall. So these two benefits will be combined as a lump sum and given to you as the maturity benefit. Also, you can choose the premium payment term, that is the number of years for which you have to pay premiums. So as we have understood the basic working of this plan, let us now understand what are the advantages and disadvantages we might get by investing in the ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 plan. So even though it is a market linked product where risk is involved, the capital you invest here is preserved, which is unlike any market linked product available in the market out there. That might be an advantage to you. Also, the part of a maturity benefit is guaranteed here. And if you look at the disadvantages, that there is no clarity regarding the surrender procedure, because this is a combination of two different products. We do not know exactly how the surrender procedure will go for this policy. And also, just because they are combining two different products benefits, it doesn't mean that it will give some kind of value addition to our portfolio. So as there is not, as combining it might seem attractive, there doesn't seem any kind of value addition apart from the combination, right? So this also the disadvantage of ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 policy. So as we have understand both the advantages and disadvantages, let us move to the main part of the analysis, which is the IRR analysis, which is also called as the internal rate of return analysis. So why we are choosing to analyze the IRR in this policy is because no matter the benefits or advantages we might get by investing in a policy, the thing we look for the most at the end of the day is the return we eventually get, right? The return is the one which matters the most. So without the return, we will not be considering investing in a policy. So now let us first analyze the IRR of the ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 policy. How we are going to analyze this? We have used the calculator given in the ICICI website for the calculation purpose. Also, we have used the figures mentioned in the policy brochure to give you the IRR analysis. So what we are going to do is we are going to assume a 40-year-old male purchases this policy with a sum assured of 15 lakhs. So the annual premium he is going to pay is 1.5 lakhs for a premium payment term of 10 years, and the policy term is going to be 15 years. So if you look at the IRR analysis, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate at two different percentage. As this is something unit linked policy, we are going to calculate at 4% in the worst case scenario and at 8% in the best case scenario. And at the 4% scenario, which is the worst case scenario, you can see that at the end of the policy term we get a maturity benefit of 24 lakhs 23,000 with an IRR return of 4.59%. And also, if you look at the 8% per annum, which is the best case scenario, we get 27 lakhs 81,000 with an IRR return of 5.92%. Both these returns, both the IRR, let it be in the worst case scenario or in the best case scenario, 4.59 and 5.92, the investment return we get here is ranges from 5 to 6%. Given that this is a long term investment and we want to create a financially secure future for our family, where if you look at the time value of our money, definitely inflation will increase, and to that we need an inflation beating return. So that's why we invest in a long term product where there is risk involved, right? But here it's only giving us 4 to 5% returns, which is definitely something which you can compare to a debt instrument kind of return. Here, as there is risk involved here, 4 to 5% return is not something justifiable in the long run, and it's not at least matching to the inflation rate also. Even if you actually invested in a FD like a debt instrument, you could have gotten a return of at least 6 to 7%, that would be guaranteed. But here the return you're getting is just 4 to 6%, which is definitely not something you can consider for a long term period to create a financially secure future for your family. So this return is definitely not justifiable according to the IRR analysis. Now what we are going to do is we are going to move to the next part of the analysis, where we are going to compare ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 policy with other investment products in the market. So we are going to get better insight by choosing an alternative investment strategy to see if we can invest the same amount of time, money, and to see if we can get better returns in that product. So what we are going to do is we are going to separate the life cover and the investment from the our investment strategy. We are going to invest in a combination. We are going to invest in a combination of pure term insurance plus PPF or either ELSS. How we are going to choose to invest in that? Like pure term insurance is for the life cover purpose. As we can see, ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee, the policyholder got a sum assured of 15 lakhs. So we are going to choose a same pure term policy for 15 lakhs, but the annual premium here is only going to be 13,200. The other metrics will be same, like the premium payment term and the policy term of 15 years, 10 years will all be same. Only the difference here is the annual premium, which is only going to be for 13,200. So if you remove 13,200 out of 1.5 lakhs, the remaining amount you will get is 1,36,800. So we are going to invest this money in other investment vehicle like PPF and ELSS. First, we are going to choose a combination of term insurance plus PPF, because PPF is something which does not involve any risk, and it's a government backed product which gives you guaranteed returns. It also gives you tax benefits under section 80C. So if you choose to invest in a combination of term insurance plus PPF, you can see that at the end of the policy term you're getting 28,65,280, which is definitely more than the return you might get in the ICICI Pru, even in the best case scenario. And here you're getting this return, IRR return of 6.21%, which is a guaranteed return and without any risk involved. If you want to compare it for a fair comparison, if you want to compare it with a risk related product, we have chosen also ELSS mutual funds, which we have chosen because it has a track record of showing us that if we choose to invest in ELSS mutual fund for a time period of beyond 7 to 10 years, it can potentially give you a return of up to 12%. So according to that track record, we have calculated the IRR analysis by investing in the combination of term insurance plus ELSS. So here, if you look at it, at the end of the policy term, you're getting 44 lakhs 7,442 rupees with an IRR return of 10.40%. In ELSS, you have to pay tax. So the pre-tax value was 47 lakhs, but after paying tax, the value you get is 44 lakhs. But still, even after paying tax, if you compare it with the return you get in ICICI Pru Signature Capital Guarantee 2 plan, it's definitely has a drastic difference and definitely a lot higher than the return you get there, and it gives you a IRR return of 10.40%. 10.40% is definitely an inflation beating return and a risk adjusted return. So with this kind of return, you can definitely create a financially secure future for your family by accumulating wealth in the process. So by comparing these three products and this type of combination investment, we are able to understand that there are other better products in the market, and by separating our life cover and investment, we are able to potentially maximize our returns in the long run. So this is something you might consider by looking at this analysis. So finally, from the analysis, what is the final verdict? Is it worth investing in the ICICI Pro Signature Capital Guarantee 2 policy or not? We can see this plan has combined both endowment and ULIP components in it, but still the returns you get are market linked returns, which are definitely not fully guaranteed. And it's also not giving you the returns which are inflation beating returns, or at least returns that match the inflation rate, right? So we are not getting what we are hoping for, so it falls off our expectations. So that falls short of expectations, and it's not the returns are not completely guaranteed, and the returns are not inflation beating returns. From the IRR analysis, we can see that the investment we make is definitely not worth the return we are investing in it, so it's definitely not justifiable for the long run. So if you do want to invest, you can definitely diversify your investments through various asset classes like debt instrument or equity oriented funds. Like as we have seen in the analysis already, you can choose either PPF or ELSS or other investment products that you think will fit your investment portfolio and to reach your financial goals a little bit better. And if you separate your investment from life cover, you can also choose pure term insurance policy for a affordable premium for even more higher coverage. So by separating your investment life cover, you're definitely maximizing your returns potentially in the long run, and it can even give you inflation beating returns. But if you are in a doubt or in a fix, like which investment product will better suit your investment needs, better reach help you reach your financial goals, then definitely you can involve a certified financial planner. So a professional will be able to guide you through the whole entire process of financial planning and accumulating wealth. They will be able to know which kind of fund options will better suit your investments needs. So involving a professional in the long run, especially for your managing your personal finance, is definitely a wise move and will definitely help you be hassle free in the entire process. So that's something you can definitely consider. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.